dinner time again, and Rabbit just knew what Lion was going to say before they even said it.
Eat your meat.
The rabbit looked down at its meat on its plate.
I don't like meat.
Lion sighed one of his usual sigh.
If you eat your meat, you can eat some mosquito.